Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing an everyday natural makeup look. I decided to do my makeup for you guys, showing you guys how I achieved this look. If you like a natural makeup look, an everyday on the go look with the most minimal makeup possible, please be sure to keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Yeah, that's it. Did you want to say hey to the gang?
Who the gang?
The gang.
Who the gang?
My subscribers.
No, I said I'm gonna get a girlfriend and we're gonna start by YouTube.
I didn't care for that. I'm saying, do you want to say hey to my people? I'm about to start my video, but
yeah. Follow me at Rame. Well, Alex, sweetie, have you a blessed day. I'll talk to you later.
y'all heard him call me sweetie. Oh. I love it.
Y'all don't believe the hype. She ain't shit.
OMG, that is so funny. YouTube, hey, what's up? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Alright, so, ooh, honey. I can't wait to talk to you guys. Okay, so I'm in a little bit of a rush. I had to leave my house literally in less than 30 minutes. I wanted to do a quick everyday makeup routine for you guys. I am going to fix up my hair because it's still wet up here from my shower and my baby hairs needs fixing, but by the end of this video we gonna come together. So don't judge the process, just trust it. And yeah, so I'm first start off with my brows. Trying to get more into the makeup beauty life because, you know, I don't really know what I'm doing when it comes down to my makeup, but you know, people always just give me compliments, especially on my eyebrows. So I'm using just a regular eyebrow pencil. I use black. I kind of like the lighter brown look, but you know, I love a good clean black. So I'm just really tracing my eyebrows. My eyebrows are already naturally like thick. Like it looks a hot mess, but I just fill in wherever. So I'm just going to take this pencil and just do what it do. How are all my subscribers doing now? It is a Sunday, a beautiful and blessed Sunday at that. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump into some juicy topics. I kind of just want to just talk about whatever comes to my mind, honestly. First things first, you guys, I'm gonna have to give y'all like a story time on this, a different day, like a whole different day, year, like I just don't know. But long story short, I have been single for quite some time. I've been single since last October. So really almost a year, which is crazy for me to even say that because I've always hated being single, and this is the longest period of time that I have been single since like middle school, 6th grade or something like that. So it's so funny. It's not really funny, but y'all tell me why my ex hit me up. My ex hit me up and came back into my life. Not like that. He didn't come back into my life like that, but he did hit me up, and it just threw me through a loop because I'm just like, where's my spoolie? Yeah, it just kind of threw me through a loop because I'm just like, what do you want? He has a whole girlfriend. A whole girlfriend. It's like, I don't know, got me on my toes a little bit. I don't really like that. Oh, I forgot to say what I'm doing. See, I'm so bad at this. Okay, so I just took some LA Girl Pro Concealer. I want to say it's in the color Toffee, which is too light for my complexion. Honestly, like, I don't like how harsh the contrast is, but this is all I got. I will just learn next time. But I really only put concealer up underneath my brows just to clean it up. And I leave the top of my brows alone because I don't know, I feel like it just gives it more of a natural look. When you try to do all that shaping and stuff, it just becomes a lot. So if you haven't been under a rock or anything, you know that the Red Table Talk with this whole Will Jada, August Alsina situation, everybody has their different opinions on it, and honestly, When Jada said the word entanglement, first of all, when she said the word entanglement, I'm over here like, girl, what? Trying to make sense out of nothing. Just say y'all was separated. Just say y'all was separated. But honestly, Jada and Will are still goals, not just because of that, but just because how open and honest they are with each other. And I understand that. Like, I understand. I'm not saying just like stick around when it's way past time to go. Like when you know in your heart and your soul that it is time to go, then go. Honestly, I feel like more guys just need to understand that honesty really does help you in your favor. Like if you was really that player, if you was really that nigga, you can tell the truth and still get what you want, period, at the end of the day. And all the real ones would know. I cannot get over my hair because it's not doing what I need to do. But, ooh, and then this part. I need to put some gel right there. I'm just putting a little bit of concealer. I haven't been wearing foundation like that just because my face gets so freaking oily. Like, so oily. It'll look like I've been running around the freaking world. If you guys have any suggestions on like a good primer and a good foundation, let me know. But until then, I'm trying to stick with the least amount of makeup as possible. I just love a real minimal look. Like I love just like a clean everyday look. Alright, so real quick, I'm gonna pause on that and I'm gonna have to hit these baby hairs real quick before I continue. Wow, I hate when my camera cuts off, but I'm just putting the True Complexion HD Corrector in the Black Radiance brand. I don't know what color this is. I just know it is a good contour color for me. A little bit goes a long way. So I'm just gonna put that there and just blend that through. You guys, so I've been really struggling with my content lately just because I'm in the process of trying to kind of rebrand my Instagrams. But as far as YouTube, I'm trying to still understand what is my true like niche, I guess you can say, like my target audience. What do I want people to come to my YouTube channel for? Like what is it that I really want to give with my YouTube? Like what is it giving? And right now I'm all over the place and I don't really know, to be honest with you guys. One thing I do know is I like to watch vlogs. I like to watch beauty, fashion. I like house things. I like watching a lot of different stuff from a lot of different people, and I can see myself doing a lot of different things. So right now what I've been doing is just, you know, I will do my little chit-chat get ready with me's like this right here. I would do vlogs. I would do entrepreneur content. And I would do like house hunts and stuff like that. But those things I feel like just, I don't know. I feel like I don't know, I feel like I just need more balance and structure, I guess. I don't know if I'm making sense, but basically I'm just trying to move in a certain direction with my YouTube. And I'm just still trying to figure out what that direction is, because like I said, I do like so many different things, like houses, beauty, fashion, entrepreneur. Those are like my main 4 things. Fashion, beauty, really one. House, apartment, hunts, or decorating and stuff like that. Entrepreneur stuff, and like vlogs. So really mainly overall I would sum it up as a lifestyle, but yeah, trying to do better with my content. So just know, you guys, I'm working on putting out really good content for you guys. I'm looking into different cameras and stuff because I need a better vlogging camera. That's the other thing. I need a better vlogging camera, and I need a better video camera. I need, like, I don't know. The camera that I want is like $600. That is so expensive. I was supposed to be talking about what I'm doing, huh? So right now I'm just setting my face. I did use some powder, and this powder has glue all over on the top. I don't even know what this is. Okay, now I do. So this is the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. I love the Black Radiance brand. I want to say it's a black owned brand, but it does cater to black women and dark skinned women. So I used the contour for my face. I used the loose setting powder in the shade Honeymoon, which is perfect. And then I'm just going in with this, my glue is everywhere, this Black Radiance palette. And I'm just using that to just set my face. I don't know why, on camera I look super light, but in person, I don't. So what I'm going to do now is just put on some mascara. With this Chit-Chat Get Ready With Me was so all over the place. I won't lie to you guys, every day when I'm at work now, it's getting harder and harder not to freaking quit. Like, when I'm packaging orders for shit from store, like when I'm packaging customers' orders and stuff, I'm like, oh my gosh, I could be at home. I'm like, I could be at home packaging my own orders. Like I could be, you know, I just be thinking about stuff I could be doing for my brand, and every day I get closer and closer to saying, bump this, okay, bump this. When do you guys think it's a good time to quit your 9 to 5? Because I really don't know. Like I can't, my whole thing is I can't really like say no to money. Not that I can't say no to money, but you know what I mean? Like why would I cut off a consistent amount of income that I know I'm gonna get every 2 weeks, every week or so? Like why would I cut that off? Because my bills gonna keep coming either way. I am putting on lashes from Rame Hair Collection. I've been wearing 2 styles put together, so every time you guys see me with lashes on in a video, it's the same 2 styles and it's the same pair of lashes. So I have lashing out, and then I also have Blink Bitch on top. And that lash put on so beautifully. Okay, so now I really don't want to pluck this part, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of powder. Okay, so boom. This is my everyday makeup look. Going to go over my hair one more time. I love it. I do want to practice more looks. I do want to get better at doing my own makeup and stuff like that. Like I feel like since I'm only 22, I still want to play around with like colors in my hair, colors in my makeup. I want to do like a really cute pink eyeliner makeup look and stuff like that. I just feel like while you're young, why not? Because once you hit like 25 and up, all them colors is just sis. And no shade, I mean, obviously color after 25 is still okay, but I'm saying like color, like the pinks and the periwinkles and all that. I just feel like once you get to a certain age, it's just, sis, we gotta level up from that. So basically what I have going on, what I have planned for today is I have to meet up with somebody to talk to them about their website. So we're gonna meet up at Starbucks. I went ahead and ordered some things that I needed to order. Some things I needed to order. I need to organize a few things. I started organizing last night, but I'm gonna pick up with organizing when I get home later on today. I do want to redo my room. Like I want to redo it all together, make it really cute. I'm going to repaint it, and I'm gonna get a whole bunch of organizers and stuff so it can help me stay organized and clean and neat. I do want to do like a really cute filming area for my videos and stuff like that. My camera cut off, but yeah, all this is on the way, and I'm going to be vlogging it, so stay tuned for my room makeover. And I'm also redoing the studio room, and I will try to insert some clips so you guys can kind of see. I didn't really want to talk about it in this Chit-Chat Get Ready With Me, but I guess I'll go ahead and talk about it. What else is going on in my life? I'm gonna touch up a few more pieces, but yeah, life is going so good, you guys. I've been working on my fall collection lately, and I'm going to be having 2 drops, and I'm so excited. I started getting a few sample pieces and stuff in the mail, so I can go ahead and start doing a couple of shoots, which I'm excited about. I am going to be creating, I don't know, I really don't want to spill my tea and spill my beans, but I'm going to be creating a whole new brand, you guys, and this process is so exciting for me. I feel like a kid again, like I feel, I don't know. But with me starting this whole brand completely over from scratch, I'm going to make sure that I document every single thing so that it can help me be able to help other people start their businesses, because I get so many DMs all the time about how to start a business, how to start a brand, and like, you know, how to do whatever. And I assumed that it was easy, like, yeah girl, all you need to do is just come up with a brand name, come up with this, get that done, and you move from here to here. But y'all, I'm so stuck. Like, I'm kind of, it's just, I don't know, it's fun, but I forgot that it can be challenging. So I am paying attention to the process and everything so I can better help other people with starting their brand and their business. But y'all, I'm doing so good in my business right now. Like, I'm in my bag, okay? 2021 is going to be my year. Like, 2020 has been great for me, but 2021 is mine, okay? It is mine, and I'm here for it, and I'm excited about it. A couple days ago, I made the most money on my website that I've ever made in one day. I'm gonna insert a video right here. Yes, so I'm super grateful, super blessed. I feel like this is only the beginning. You know, I'm finally starting to see some consistency, and we love consistency, don't we, y'all? We love some good consistency. So yeah, I'm super excited. I'm super confident about the direction I'm going in, the choices I'm making, the steps I'm taking to get to where I need to get to. And I just want to say thank you guys so much. Whoever watches my videos, likes my post, buys something, refers a friend, tags me in something, anybody who does anything, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Like, you guys have no idea. But I was supposed to leave the house about 30 minutes ago. I'm over here just sitting, chitting, chatting, talking to you guys. So I'm about to show you guys my outfit, and that will wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this natural look. You know, we got some nice curls going on. Raw my hair collection on the hair. I am changing up my hair soon. I just don't know exactly what I want to do to it, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this sit down chit chat get ready with me. Really, I was just going off the top of the dome, whatever came up in my mind. Let me know down in the description box down below what type of videos you guys would like to see from me, because like I said, I'm trying to get a handle on my niche and what it is that I want to do for YouTube and the type of content that I want to create. So yeah, I'm super excited. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.